Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host Dr. 𝐶𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀𝐩𝐩. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at Stock. So this is one of the video that I'm going to make for you about Bank Nifty and how can we really do Bank Nifty trading in a simpler way. But I can tell you very clearly, but there's nothing simple in Bank Nifty, right? You have to do a lot of research, and besides that, you need to spend a lot of time in understanding Bank Nifty's movement. And the biggest importance that I give to the option chain. What activity is happening in the option chain. For me, that's the most important factor, right? How it is developing, what is happening in Bank Nifty's option chain. But yet, let's say you are a newbie and you don't want to go into the options. What can you really do to make money in Bank Nifty options? Before I go on there, a lot of people, a lot of you write, please speak in English. A lot of you say, आपको हिंदी नहीं आती है क्या? मुझे दोनों लैंग्वेज आती है, बट आप लोगों को एक ही लैंग्वेज आती है, तो मैं क्या करूं? राइट? मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ तो आप इंग्लिश के लिए बोलते हो, और इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ देन यू से स्पीक हिंदी, राइट? दोनों तरफ से। सो आप लोगों को थोड़े एफर्ट लगाने पड़ेंगे। आई विल मेक अ मिक्स लैंग्वेज। प्लीज अपग्रेड योर हिंदी इफ यू आर नॉन हिंदी स्पीकिंग, एंड प्लीज अपग्रेड योर इंग्लिश if you're non-English speaking, right? You have to make some efforts. I'm doing from my side whatever knowledge I can impart. I'm doing my level best. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a simple method about Bank Nifty trading, right? What is going to happen? Let me just bring you to my screen. This is Bank Nifty and this is Zerodha's platform. Open up Bank Nifty and put the 5 minutes chart, right? That's the first point you need to do. Come here and just select 5 minutes, right? Now you need to decide what is happening in the market, right? Definitely you need to mark important support and the resistance level from the previous day, right? This is the resistance zone, and mark the support and resistance. Now what you have to do is simply, instead of having the normal candles, use Hikinishi candles, right? In the past I have made a lot of videos about Hikinishi candle. In case you want to understand about Hikinishi candle, come to my channel, which is Stock Pro, and type it here, Hikinishi, right? And you will find a lot of videos about it, right? See here, I have made a lot of videos about Hikinishi candles, right? So please go through them and you will be able to find a lot of information, right? There's one out here, there's one out here, there's one out here, uh, one out here, right? A lot of videos I have made about Hikinishi, and you should be able to definitely, I'm sure there must be more videos as well. Hikinishi, yeah. So I have made a lot of videos, you can watch them and you will understand how Hikinishi candles are formed, right? Just to give you a basic, just to give you right now, always remember, if a open equal to high, right? It's a flat head candle. It'll always, like, the next candle will start from the middle of the body, right? This is the body of this candle. Next candle will start from the middle, right? So normally what do you get in Hikinishi candles? Average value of the price, right? Average value. Similarly, if a stock is going up, right? Suppose stock is going up. This is how it is. Next candle will form from the middle of the body, right here. If this is the body, or say like this is the body, it'll start from the middle, right? So basically, Hikinishi is nothing but the average price. Take care of open, high, low, and close. But it gives a very clear view. If you see here, red, 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 green, 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 red, red, red. So a lot of noise has been filtered out. So what can you really do when it comes to Bank Nifty? As I told you, the time frame has to be 5 minutes. And after that, what you need to see, you need to see small candles, right? So there are only 3 kinds of candles that you can see in Hikinishi. One is, which is flat bottom, the other is flat head, and there's a doji, right? Doji is basically you get the wicks on both the sides, right? So you have to look for a long, after a long trend, there should be a doji that should form. Like the stock is falling down, a doji formed, and high of this doji has to cross. If it crosses, you can go, otherwise the trend will continue, right? For example, here is a very beautiful patch of dojis right here. Just whenever you see a flathead candle, right? This is the first flathead candle. See here, this one is the first flathead candle. Next flathead candle, second flathead candle, above that you can go for a buy, and you get about 120 points, right? So that is the way you can take beautiful entry. See here, this is an indecisive zone for Bank Nifty, right? When the market opens on this particular day, 245, right? Suddenly a big candle starts, right? Above second candle, you can go for a buy, right? Above second candle, when the second candle crosses this barrier, you can go for a buy from 36120 to 36280, right? Of course, it came pretty late in the day. That is why it's not a good trade. But if it happens, like for example, this, right? This is one candle. The high of this candle is not broken, and dojis came up over here. After that, a flathead candle, second flathead candle, when the low is broken, you can short, right? This is a good trade. It gets you about 200 points, right? So that was a good trade, and you can exit whenever a doji is formed or the high of doji is broken. You can exit, right? Similarly, these are dojis, right? These are dojis, and it happens, at least once a day you will find these dojis. The longer the period, the better the trade you will get. So for example, this is open equal to high, right? This candle, second candle you short, and high of this candle will be, high of these dojis will be your stop loss, right? Somewhere here is going to be your stop loss, and you're going to short it somewhere here. So almost like 60 70 points ka stop loss hai, and shift your stop loss once the trends begins, right? Do it anywhere you want. For example, here, out here, this is a doji, first flatted candle, second pay you can short, and this doji forms, but doji's high is not broken. Continue your holding your trade. Now doji appears here, again a flathead, right? And wait for second the low of this to be broken. Again horizontal, tinier the doji, the better trade you get, right? Remember one thing, bigger dojis doesn't mean good trade, but tinier the doji, like here, see, tiny dojis, when high is broken you get good trade. Similarly, here you see tiny dojis right here, and you do get some about, not huge amount of points, but about 70 80 points you are still getting. You have to be fast, right? Similarly here, like you can get good trade here. This is a nice doji setup, and you do get about 100 points, right? This is a 100 points move. In options it could be about 50 points move, right? What do you need? You just need that. See here, this is a longer period of dojis, right? In Hikinishi, this is a very long period of doji. After second candle, you can just short. Look at the beautiful drop you've got. Similarly, out here, it's getting stagnant, tiny dojis. You can buy over here, 34,005. Here you can buy this place, and it goes till here, almost like 200 points. This is a 200-point move, right? So this is how I have traded today. I have traded multiple times in Bank Nifty. I haven't bought call, but because my mindset looking at the option chain was negative, so I waited every time a negative doji is formed, red doji is formed, flatted candle, and I would short. Right, this is where I shorted, and this is where I shorted. Twice I have done shorting, and I have made good money. So because first and one of the most important thing is to really decide your mindset. You are in which direction? Are you on the sell direction or in the buy direction? Because of the option chain, I was on the sell side, and that is why I selected a shorting opportunity. So huge amount of money exists, right? But you need the skills, you need the information, you need the data, and you need to have an eye to spot the opportunity. So let's see what may be expected tomorrow. Dow is under great fall, hoping to really have good profits in my open positions. So with this, I'm signing off. All the best. Take care. See you in the next video. Keep making money. Join me in the live market for live trading. Link you will find on my Telegram channel. And we traded today Power Grid. We traded today UPL on the buy side. Short side, we sold SRF. So see you in the live market. All the best. Take care.